Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide
for Ford's 1980 to 1996 F-150.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Lift and remove your truck's bed, then uninstall the fuel tank and fuel lines. Step 3. Cut off the rivet heads holding the factory rear fuel tank crossmember in place and use a hammer and punch to remove the rivets from the holes. Step 4. Slide the replacement crossmember into place between the frame rails using the rivet holes for alignment. Using the included M10 hardware, bolt the replacement crossmember into place. Ensure all bolts are properly tightened. Step 5. Paint the part and work area with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce future rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Finally, reinstall the fuel tank and fuel lines, then lower and reinstall the bed. Now, get back out on the road.